Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, also remove all occurrences of duplicates in a linked list. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given a shorted linked list and a delete. You have to delete all nodes that which have duplicate numbers. Okay, and you must understand this. You must follow leaving only the numbers which will appear only once time in a original list, and return the head of the modified linked list. Okay, we have just written first we have to delete all duplicates, then we have to return our modified linked list. Okay, now go to example 1. In example 1 there is a linked list. This is the linked list, and in this linked list you can see there is many duplicate values. uh, 28 appear two times, and this 49 and 49 two times, and 53 also two times. So these all are duplicate values, so we just remove it. And after removing it, we have written our current and updated linked list, which are only one times, which node are only appear in one times. In this 23 only once, you can see only once time, and 35 also. So in output it will show 23 and 35. That's it. Now go to next example. In next example, same. There is 11. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 11 are 4 times. Okay, 4 times. And next node is 75. 75 appears 2 times. So this is 2 times. In this linked list, you can see all the nodes have duplicate values. All the nodes. So in this case, we can't value any node which are appeared only once. So in this case, output will show empty. Output will show empty like this. Okay, now go to code. The time complexity is O of n and space complexity is O of 1. Okay, in code, first we create a dummy node, and this dummy node will handle the all the edges, these all the edges of linked list. Okay, edges of linked list. Then with this previous equals to dummy, this one will calculate the sublist of duplicates, and this current pointer is go to the node which are we currently exist we currently current position. Okay, this is current position, so we declare current pointer. Then we check the current node is start a duplicate sublist or not. We check the duplicate, it has duplicate or not. Okay, then if has duplicate, then skip all the duplicates. We create previous next, current to next node. Then we go to previous node to current. If no duplicates, we go to next node. Okay, and then we move to current to next node. Then we will return dummy to next node. Okay, now compile and run, and now submit. Okay, we passed all the test cases, solved today's problem. Hope today's video is helpful. Please like and subscribe my channel. Till then, tata bye bye.